Velina aloha kako e na oivio kapaki pika. Eia mai o Hawaii. We are the nation of Hawaii. And in our first segment of hula and chants, we present to you what is known as the hula olapa. This is the traditional form of our mele and our dance. It is customary when we conclude this portion of our performance that we do what is known as a mele mai. It is a chant that celebrates the genitalia, the reproductive organs of our ali'i, thereby celebrating their ability to procreate and continue their royal lineage. The chants that they have performed for you already honor the descendants of Hawaii's most legendary ali'i, Kamehameha. And this final mele mai that they do for you in our hula olapa portion also celebrates procreation and Kamehameha.
Ai, hula na kamanui haili. Hula na kamanui haili. Hula na kamanui haili la e ai. Hula na kamanui haili la e ai. Kanu ale huai mo kaulele lai. Kanu ale huai mo kaulele lai. Ariato maile huala e ai. Ariato maile huala e ai. Kawai huna o kapao olai. Kawai huna o kapao olai. E mai o ka iku. O ka iku. Ah, holale. Ah, oi holale koi aku. Ah, oi holale koi aku. E, oi holale koi aku. I, oi holale koi aku. O, oi holale koi aku. He mā ino kunu ia kea.
Ai he mā ino kunu ia kea. Hoi.
Mahalo. You may be wondering why gentlemen singing in vocal ranges that's extraordinary or beyond our own normal range. That's what we call falsetto. And in Hawaii, it is one genre of music that is so appreciated today. It's called the leo ki'e, or the high voice, the falsetto. And you're going to hear a bit of that singing in this next portion in our hula awana. And the tradition, history of leo ki'e, as we know, began during the time of the missionaries. After the missionaries' arrival in Hawaii and Christianity, it was imperative that the men in the churches, in the choir, learn to sing the parts of the wahine, of the women. And so they would sing in that leo ki'e or falsetto style. Today, it continues today as a perpetual tradition in Hawaiian music. Featuring once again the Leo Ki'eki, or that high voice, with this next hula rendition, a song written by Alvin Kaleolani Isaacs, a song entitled Nani Helena. It's a song of love, and we're going to feature the hula artistry of one of the kumuhula this evening, Tracy Kaunohi Lani Furias. My sweetheart, my blossom, the love of my heart. Surely you are beautiful to see and behold.
We need the mic on that one. Her beauty would launch 1,000 ships. The lovely hula artistry of Kaunohi.